Hi everyone, Judy here. It's our third day in Roxas City. We spent half of our day at the pool. Everybody were just having fun. I was trying hard to get a take the plunge video for Nesty's Take the Plunge contest. It's not what's really on my mind. Working with kids really is hard work.
Oh, pwede man sila, Paul! Woo!
Also, we passed by the Victoria's House of Silvanas and Pastry Boutique. Some recommended food from them are Liam's Special, Pesto Pasta, Chocolate Cake, Sans Rival, and Yema Cake. My favorite dessert from them is the coconut flan, or is it coco flan? That's all for today, and thanks for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.